This video is brought to you by the iPhone Unlock Academy. Learn to unlock any iPhone from the pros. Get set up with an iPhone unlocking website as well. See the link in the description box of this video for more information and to schedule a free consultation. Unlock your future. iPhone Unlock Academy.
Welcome back, eSIM Studios. I put out a video earlier this morning in regards to the new Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup. A lot of information has been leaked just in the last few days. We got the battery sizes. There will be a jump, 200 milliamp per hour batteries in the devices in the lineup. We got a minor, but still a bump up in screen size for the S24 Plus. They're just going to shrink the bezels, which makes the screen a little bit bigger. We also got the S24 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 benchmarked. Scores are out. They look really good. And another piece of info came out just right now, and I would have included it with the video earlier this morning, but it is what it is. And this is really good news. So it looks like, well, it doesn't look, well, yeah, I guess it looks like, but Samsung is going to put the LTPO panels, display panels, in the regular base S24 and the S24 Plus. If you are unaware, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which I'm filming on, is the only one in the lineup that has the LTPO display, meaning it goes down to 1 hertz all the way up to 120. It does not rely on the GPU for kind of now making the refresh rate varied or variable via the GPU. Now, this is good news because you're going to see a tremendous increase in battery life. Check this out. For one thing, the battery sizes are getting bigger. Another thing, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is going to be not only more powerful, but more efficient. With every series, it gets more powerful and more efficient. And with this new variable refresh rate, that will jump the refresh rate from 120 to when you're scrolling. If you stop to read something, it'll bump it all the way down to 1. And that makes a huge difference on battery life. So Samsung is making all the necessary improvements. They are really going to put this S24 lineup right up there with probably some of the best Android devices ever made. They are really pushing the bar. I've been very satisfied with the leaks I've been seeing. And Pixel too. There's been some Pixel leaks. I'm gonna put out another video probably tomorrow on the Pixel 8 series. We know most of the leaked information that's come out about the Pixel 8 series, Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro. They look to be really cool devices. Every year the technology gets better and better. Now, what's interesting is that they are keeping the same design language as far as Samsung with the S24 series, and it appears Google's doing the same thing, meaning the phones from one series to another from year to year basically look the same with some minor adjustments, but they're keeping the same design language because I think people that love their Samsung devices and people that love the Pixel devices, I have both, however, are really happy with the way it looks. Now, since Samsung and Google have hammered down a really good design, now it's time to tweak the inside and make it better and better and better. Now, how long they stay with this design, who knows? They could probably go another, for Samsung it'll be a second year. No, it'll be a third year, because the S22 Ultra has that 3 teardrop camera display in the back. The S22 Ultra they started with, and the S23, which I have, which would be the second year. S24, they're keeping the same design, which would be the third year. It could probably go another year. So S25 should have the same design language, and I think with the S26, 2 years from now, they might make a design change, but you can roughly go 4 to 5 years, kind of like Apple, right? And I'll be the first to tell you, I gave them a ton of crap for saying, oh, they got the same phone every year and nothing changes. Now I see why it occurs that way. But very good news if you're a Samsung fan. Good news if you're a Pixel fan. The Pixel 8s look phenomenal. Cannot wait. I'm so happy they're switching to a flat display on the Pixel 8 Pro. If you can make it look similar to the Nothing Phone 2, where it has a flat bezel, a flat frame around it, or flatter, that would look really, really nice, and it looks like they're headed towards that direction. So, great news for Samsung fans. They keep on tweaking their devices in the right direction as far as specs and the proper spec bumps that we want to see. And these are just going to be awesome devices. So look forward to that. Stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. We got a ton of reviews, a ton of news, app reviews, all sorts. I got all sorts. Oh, check this out. I have a deal. I'm going to make a video tomorrow that you're not going to want to miss. I have 2 phone deals that basically get you to at least 1 flagship and 1 high-end mid-range device practically free. Minor investment, but you get $1,600 worth of phones for about $100 investment, and I'll show you how. And it's completely free. They're not, it's their deals, that their offers, and it hasn't been talked about a lot, but I want to bring it to your attention. You can get a flagship device and a high mid-range device from T-Mobile for a very, very small investment. I'm taking it up on the offer, and I'm going to explain how it works. So pay attention and subscribe to the channel. You're not going to want to miss this video. So I'm here for the subscribers. Don't forget, we do have some merchandise and memberships available and stuff like that. I'm going to try to live stream a little more. So do appreciate the time, but I got to run. It's dinner time. Peace.